Ask her out. I'm in love with that girl.
Have you told her?
Of course not.
Why not?
She would laugh at me.
How do you know?
Because they always do.
Maybe she's different.
They're all the same.
Just ask her out to dinner.
And then what?
And then she'll know that you like her.
Conversation 2.
A night by himself.
Give me a hug.
I'm not in the mood.
What's the matter?
I saw you looking at that woman.
What woman?
You know, that woman with the big boobs.
I was not looking at her.
You were, too.
I'm not interested in her.
Then why were you looking at her?
I was looking at something else.
Oh, really? Then spent a night looking at the sofa.
Conversation 3. Go on a blind date. Would you like to go on a blind date? You must be joking. No, I'm serious. I don't want to date a blind woman. A blind date doesn't mean that she is blind. What does it mean? A blind date is a date with someone you don't know. Why would I date someone I don't even know? To try something new and exciting. What if I don't like her? Then you don't date her again. Conversation 4. 2 pineapples. I have a date tomorrow night. Really? Who with? A girl I met at the market. You met a girl at the supermarket? She was standing behind me in a really slow line at the checkout counter. What did you say to her? I had 2 pineapples in my cart, and she asked where I had found them. She asked you about your pineapples? I told her I had gotten the last 2 on the shelf, but I offered her one of mine. That was nice of you. She asked me how she could return the favor, so I asked her out. Sometimes a slow line can be a good thing.